We all love donuts, so why don't we use some donuts today to help us with our subtraction. Sophie's going to help us as well because she wants to learn too. Two minus 1 equals, let's work this out. 2 donuts minus 1 donut equals, take the 1 donut from the 2 and we have 1 donut left. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals, so that's 3 donuts minus 1 donut equals, take the 1 from the 3 and we have 2 donuts left. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. 4 minus 2 equals 4 donuts minus 2 donuts equals, take the 2 from the 4 is 2 left. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 5 donuts minus 2 donuts equals, so we've got 3 donuts left. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 6 donuts minus 3 donuts equals 3 donuts. Therefore 6 minus 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 4 donuts minus 3 donuts equals 1 donut left. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. 5 minus 3 equals 5 donuts minus 3 donuts equals 2 donuts. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 6 donuts minus 4 donuts equals 2 donuts. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 4 minus 1 equals 4 donuts minus 1 donut equals 3 donuts. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 5 minus 4 equals 5 donuts minus 4 donuts equals 1 donut left. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 3 donuts minus 2 donuts equals 1 donut left. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 6 minus 5 equals 6 donuts minus 5 donuts equals 1 donut left. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 5 minus 1 equals 5 donuts minus 1 donut equals 4 donuts left. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 6 donuts minus 2 donuts equals 4 donuts left. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 6 equals 6 donuts minus 6 donuts equals no donuts left. 6 minus 6 equals 0.
Thanks for watching.